Okay, so I know y'all hear the music in the background. Don't pay that no attention, okay? But let's get into these nails. So I haven't been able to create like acrylic sets. So I posted my last video last Friday, and that was the pink nails that y'all seen. If if you're a subscriber, you know what I'm saying, then you would have seen that video already. I just want to say shout out to my new subscribers. Thank you so much. Thank you to my returning subscribers. Thank you, thank you, thank you. It means a lot to me. So let me tell you about this set right here. I don't have a nail brush. I don't have an acrylic nail brush because I threw my old one out because it just had too much acrylic for me to even constantly keep cleaning. So it was just tragic each time I try to practice a set. It was just bad, okay? So I was like, you know what? Let me just throw this brush away. Like, it's time to go, okay? It is time. Your time. You have done your purpose, okay? So, but keep in mind, I don't have another brush. So I threw it in the trash. It was just instinct to just like, throw it out. But then I'm like, oh my God, I don't have no type of brush to record with. To record with, wow. No brush to do my nails with. So I found these press-ons that I had got way before I even knew how to do nails. So I got these from the dollar store. And I think it was like a dollar and change because, technically the dollar store, Dollar Tree is not really Dollar Tree anymore, okay? It's like a dollar and something that I paid for this, this set. It's just a basic set of French manicure, 10 nails. That's all you get. And actually, these fit my nails perfectly. Like, I think maybe one or two nails I had to, like, customize, take my file and just kind of file the size a little bit, just a little bit. And yeah, so I'm just gonna make these press-on nails into like $50 nails. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm talking about? But yeah, so we're gonna try to bedazzle this basic set, okay? I like short nails, but I don't know how to do short nails, like acrylic short nails. Like, it's something about it. I just don't know how to do it. That's a whole different technique, and I don't like it. So I just prefer to do long nails, medium to long nails with acrylic. So we're gonna try some cute little short set, and comment down below and let me know what you think about it. I actually think they came out really cute to be like from the Dollar Tree, okay? And I add my little pizzazz to it. They came out really cute. So like I said, comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about this set. Like, should I do more press-ons? Try Gel X. Well, I did tell y'all I wanted to try Gel X, but anyway, I'm gonna let y'all watch the video and stop talking. And so y'all won't have to listen to my son's music in the back.
Through drought and famine, natural disasters, my baby has been around for me. Kingdoms are falling, angels be calling. None of that could ever make
Tryna get a little VI, down on a low key, cause you know how it feels. I said shawty, she was tricking up on me. From the game she was spitting my ear, you would think that she know me. So we decided to chill. Conversation got heavy. She had me feeling like she's ready to blow. Oh yeah. She was saying come get me. So I got up and followed her to the floor. She said baby let's go. When I told her I said shawty got down, said come and get me. I got so caught up, I thought she told me. Her and my girl used to be the best of homies. Next thing I do, she was all up on me screaming. It's that bounce right here. Ooh, it's a pretty woman next to me. Yeah, this is what I need. Oh, baby, it's a pretty woman next to me. A pretty woman, baby. She shares dreams that I believe. Come on, maybe we can start a family. Start a family. Someone who truly understands how to treat us men. This is what I need. Is a pretty woman next to me. Yeah. This is what I need. I'm rewind. Girl, I get the money if you make you mine. If you're loving every night, you make you mad. Now only you can love and make me nice, nice, nice. I feel make you mine. When I love you, plus I never make you minus. If I let you smoke, it's you gon' lose my lighter. If you paranoid, then I'ma spend the night. Check it out, love it every day. Diamonds and my money, I go pay. For your love, I go pay. It ain't making money, J's. I see you do this for you every day. When you call, when it's back on replay. For your love, I go pay. For your love, I go pay. Got a psycho, got traffic psycho. Baby, if you nice, you gon' drive me psycho. Baby, if you pretty, but then
you stayed this long. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye, you guys. Mwah.